Hi, welcome to Gamalial. My name is Jane Jonker. In the two previous videos I discussed why teachers need Gamalial and how students would use Gamalial. In this video I'll show you how easy it is to create a Gamalial project. Let's say you're the author of the Gamalial study guide for the Introductory Physics course FBB 102. So you'll go to the Gamalial website and log in. Under My Authoring Projects, you'll see the two projects for which you are the author. On this page, you can start editing your project, publish it, and also see how it will look when opened by your viewers. But before I show you how easy editing is, let's first have a quick look at the project management features available via the control panel. For example, in your case, both projects are private rather than public, which means viewing access is restricted. Both of them are also available on mobile devices, allow 7-day demo access, and also paid subscription. In addition, the control panel allows you to edit the project description, assign viewing rights, publish your project, look at the authoring and viewing logs, send an email to viewers, and also see the project finances. And oh, of course, you can also edit your personal profile here. So that's it as far as the project management features are concerned. Let's now get back to editing a project. Let's say you want to update the FBB 102 course guide. So you'll simply click on it to start editing. Right, so as you can see, the editing interface looks exactly the same as the viewing one, and that is the whole point of WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. At the bottom you can edit the project description and the copyright info. You can also change the logo and the background watermark. But let's go to the screen you want to edit. So you'll expand the navigator fully and look for Hooke's law. Okay, there it is. If you've watched some of the previous videos in this series, you'd have noticed that all Gamalial projects have a fixed layout and formatting. The reasons for this are simple. It ensures uniformity throughout projects and prevents bad layout, styles and colors. In addition, it allows authors, or the content experts in other words, to focus on the content and to not be distracted by formatting and style. Right, so let's first edit the screen title. Let's change it to Hooke's law. Okay, so that's it. But wait, there's a spelling mistake or an unknown word. Maybe you should add it to the custom dictionary. Right click, there you go. Now, let's look at the screen content. Say you want to add some text to the first paragraph. To do that, you'll right-click the paragraph, which will give you a number of context-sensitive options. You can edit the paragraph text, insert another element after it, delete it, move it up or down, cut or copy it, convert it to another element, paste some text after it, or even annotate it. Let's go for edit. So you add the extra text. Let's see. That's it. And click OK. Now let's say you want to insert a YouTube video after this paragraph. So how would you do that? Well, instead of right-clicking, you can also use the icon bar. Hovering over this paragraph and going to the insert icon, you'll see that Gamalial allows 13 types of predefined elements. Text paragraphs, questions, large and small notes, large and small examples, bullets, tables, images, steps, forward and back arrows, YouTube videos, and quizzes. So you'll click the YouTube icon, paste the URL, add a description. Let's leave the width. Okay, perfect. Come to think of it, this section is obviously related to simple harmonic motion, but looking at the navigator, there's no screen for that topic. Let's fix that. The best place for it will probably be after elastic potential energy. So you'll right-click on that entry and select Insert New. Now enter the text that will appear in the navigator. Simple harmonic motion. As you can see, the description is automatically updated, but you can change it. Let's add SHM. This will be shown as the entry's mouse over title. Okay, let's see. Fine. Now, to remind the viewer about this, a small note will probably be the most appropriate here. Let's insert it after the YouTube video. So you'll click on the small note icon and enter your text. This kind of oscillation is called simple harmonic motion. Let's also link it to the new screen you've just created. To do that, simply select the text you'd like to link and then click on Hyperlink. For internal links, Gamalial automatically suggests a page based on your selection, which in this case is the correct one. Alright. Maybe you should also explain the term oscillation. Select the word, click on Info, and enter the definition. Movement back and forth in a regular rhythm. That's it. Let's check. Perfect. Looking at the layout, it would maybe be better to have this note before the video. So let's just drag it up. Right. So the learning outcomes look okay. The images are fine. Robert can be a bit bigger though. Maybe one should allow viewers to see his picture full size. So let's edit it. Icon bar, edit, allow full size viewing. Right. Let's see, is it working? Yep. There's also a mistake in the image title. Operator must be oscillator. Good, we're making progress. But the page is getting long. How would viewers navigate through it? Well, Gamalial uses the questions as links or bookmarks to different sections on a page. Let's see what questions there are on this page. You probably need another one for these external links. So let's insert question. Where can I find online resources covering this topic? Okay, there it appears in the question list. Let's check if it works. Perfect. So what else? This example element needs to be a bit wider. Or maybe one can let the content determine its width. Let's reset it. Nice. Finally, let's just check the quiz, just to make sure you've got the answer right. The total distance is 4a. Let's see. Whoops, that's not right. Let's fix it quickly. Edit. Option 4 is the right one. Okay, let's see. That's better. So let's say you're done with the content for now. Let's just check what related topics are linked to the screen. Suppose you'd like to add the screen on simple harmonic motion. So you'll go to the related topics, right-click on the entry in the table, and then select Insert New. Now to select the correct screen. Notice that they're in the same order as in the navigator. Also, the current screen is highlighted in green, and the levels are color-coded, just to make it easier to find the one you're looking for. So, there's simple harmonic motion. Right, done. As you can see, the screen's description is shown, rather than its entry text in the navigator. Also, the links at the bottom of the screen are automatically updated. Now suppose you'd like to add a Did You Know page to the screen. The link is disabled, so there isn't one yet, but to add one is easy. Just click on the Add Did You Know icon in the header. Now the link is active. But time is running out, so just remind yourself to load some content. Annotate, load DIK content about Robert Hooke. Good, that's done. Lastly, you might want to update the index. Let's say you'd like to add this screen to the index entry Spring. So to do that, you'll click on the Add to Index icon in the header and enter the category name, Spring. Right, there it is. Gamalial automatically creates a new category if necessary. Otherwise, it just adds the link to the existing one. But surely there should also be an index category for simple harmonic motion. So let's add it. Right-click, New Category, Simple Harmonic Motion. Okay, now let's add the current screen. Right-click, Add Current Screen. Right, done. You could also add some exercises, but since you haven't had coffee for over an hour, this will have to wait. Maybe just add it to your notes to remind yourself. Authoring notes, add more exercises. Right, that's enough for today. So you'll save the page and exit. But wait, what happens when you close the application but have lost the connection to the Gamalial server? Won't you lose unsaved work? Yes, you would, and that's what the green close button is for. In the case where your server connection has been lost, the application will not close, but rather stay open until such time that you can save your work. Right, now the last step. Publish your changes. There you go. As easy as that. Now, where's that coffee?